Sally Gardens, my love and I did meet. She passed the Sally Gardens with little snow-white feet. She bid me take life easy as the leaves grow on the tree. But I've been young and foolish, with her would not agree. In a field